So, well, everyone is here. What's that sound? Looks like someone is getting a call.
No missed calls.
Oh, it's mine. Look, it's Bobby.
Hey, where are you? Your concert is gonna start soon. You're already running late.
Oh my, I totally forgot about the concert. Your planes are leaving soon. Hurry through the gate to see which one you'll get. I'm first. Now me. We're flying to the concert. Let's see what we get. Hooray, we got the rainbow plane.
We have to go through too, right?
Yes.
Then I'll go first. I'm right behind you. Hey guys, wait for me. So, what kind of plane do we have? Hooray, gold one. High five, I'm so happy.
But we don't have a gold plane. I'll try to fix it.
What's this, cardboard? We love cardboard. It's even better this way.
Well, please get on board.
Let's go, yeah!
Yay, I'm first! Whee! Wow, we're in a rainbow plane!
Yeah!
Everything is so beautiful.
Wow!
Oh, the seat! So rainbow colored. I'm thrilled. All right, I'm ready to jump. 1, 2, and... Woohoo! Oh, no. Just a second. 3! What? This isn't a chair. Treats! That was tasty. But why can't I sit in the chair? It's simple, Zoe. The dress code on the plane means you can't wear regular clothes. You have to be in a rainbow outfit. We totally forgot about the dress code. Oh my gosh!
I have an idea. To get started, let's transform your look a bit with a little magic. Voila!
Wow!
Next, we take a thick, fluffy chenille wire and twist it to form a big flower. We ended up with a sweet rainbow tutu. I also have markers. Pick whichever you want.
I need to think. I want all of these.
Great! First, I outline the neckline with a red marker, orange below it. Next, yellow, then light green. Under the light green, I draw with blue, then dark blue, and finally purple.
Hi, everyone. Do you know how many colors are in the rainbow? Write in the comments.
Wow, so many colorful little stars. I'll decorate the skirt with them. It turned into a stunning rainbow ballerina outfit.
Wow!
But this hairstyle won't do. To make a new one, I take white chenille wire and use magic to make it colorful.
Wow!
Now it's time for the main part. I put hot glue on Rumi's head and stick the wires on one by one. It looks funny so far. And now I'm making a super braid out of it. Separate 4 strands, one under the other. Starting with the top one, I split it in 2 and cross it under the bottom one. Doing the same with the second, third, and fourth strands. Then braid it to the end. So it turns out Rumi's signature hairstyle, just rainbow colored. Rainbow Pegasus stud earrings to her ears, and everything is ready. Oh, not exactly. I put white leg warmers on Rumi and make her shoes out of yellow chenille wire. Now everything is definitely ready. How gorgeous Rumi looks in this rainbow ballerina look. Wow, I'm so bright. This swing is for you. Have a seat.
Wow, so soft. Let's go. Wow, Rumi, you're all rainbow colored. Amazing.
Yeah, you look fantastic. You even changed your hairstyle. Awesome.
Thanks. But that's not all. Watch what I can do. Woohoo! Ta-da!
This outfit is perfect for the rainbow airplane. You can take a seat.
Great, finally I can rest. Shoo! I want a rainbow outfit too. So where's my suitcase? Ah, here it is. They were definitely here. Oh, let's see. Oh, a swim mask. Oh, not that. Dresses. Oh, not that either. Oh, here they are. Found them. Look, Lou, I have colorful hair ties.
Just what we need. Come with me.
Yahoo!
Okay, give me your rubber bands. We'll need them. First, I'll take the pink, white, and yellow ones to make a top out of them. It looks great. Then I make sleeves from 2 white rubber bands. Next, I take a piece of cardboard and cut out a circle. I make a slit on the side and cut out the center. Now I take rubber bands of different colors and put them around the cardboard ring, completely covering all the gaps. We got a rainbow ballerina tutu. All that's left is to make the shoes. First, I make leg warmers from the rubber bands, putting several ones on each leg. Then I make ballet shoes from 2 yellow rubber bands and decorate them with pom-poms. Perfect! I add pom-poms to the tutu, a flower sticker to the top, and put pink rubber bands on the buns, decorating them with fluffy flowers. It turned out to be an absolutely fancy look.
Wow, I love it!
Zoe, I have a surprise for you.
What kind?
Here you go.
A rainbow lollipop, yay!
And also a rainbow slide.
Wow! Okay, I'm ready. Let's go! suit my sitting in the rainbow chair?
Of course it does. You look amazing. Come on, have a seat.
Great! Perfect time for a snack.
Zoey is ready. Great. Rumi? Rumi is ready too. Awesome. Only Mira is left. Let's go. I take a regular paper napkin, make a triangle, fold it again, and cut off the sharp edge. I make a lot of these blanks. I take a rubber band and hook all the paper blanks onto it with the wide edge outwards. It turned into a white ballerina tutu. It fits perfectly. I snip the edges, giving them a sharper shape, and make a top from the scraps. I roll another piece of napkin into a tube, put it on her neck, and glue it to the top. I have several containers. I squeeze a bit of paint in different colors in each. Add a few drops of water and mix well. I take a little diluted paint with a pipette and apply it to the skirt. I color each petal in a different color. Then I dry everything with a hairdryer. When the paper is completely dry, I decorate it with beads.
Wow!
And these rhinestones are for the top. Look how it sparkles! Mira is such a beauty! I replace Mira's hair ties with colorful ones and add rainbow clips. I put on white leg warmers on her legs and sparkly ballet flats decorated with pom-poms on her feet. It turned out amazing! Wow, I'm thrilled with my new look. Mwah, thanks, Lou. Always welcome. Time to head back to the plane.
Yeah!
Ta-da!
Wow! Mira, you're so colorful! Everything's so shiny and stunning!
And look at those hair clips. Oh my gosh, you're Huntrix. I recognized you. Here, I have 3 microphones. Let's sing together. Of course, we're totally down.
Gobble, gobble, gobble! Gobble, gobble, gobble!
And how are things going with Saja? Yeah, we're on board. Everything here is made entirely out of cardboard. Cool, I like it.
It's so fun in here.
Sorry, no cardboard outfit, no entry.
So what do we do? Time to remake the boys' look.
We look so cardboard.
Why am I not changed? Am I not flying anywhere?
Oh no!
Oh, Ginu, no need to panic. I'll craft the coolest cardboard outfit myself. The old clothes won't be needed. I have to make a tank top, a shirt, and pants. Start with the tank.
Yeah.
I tear pieces of masking tape and press them right on the doll's body. Shape the neckline. Now the shirt. I trace the outline on cardboard. Cut out the parts with scissors.
Wow!
I glue the sleeves' edges. Voila! I brighten the outfit with markers. Last step, the pants. I make them from cardboard. Perfect! A golden paper chain. And I also have shoes for Ginu. Maybe barefoot instead? Interesting choice. Nice, I love running without shoes. Leave a like if you enjoyed Ginu's makeover. Now he's ready to fly.
Yeah!
Guys, I'm here.
Whoa, great outfit.
Wow!
Wonderful. You may take your seats. Here are your seats, please.
Finally.
Nice, full comfort.
Phew. And whose bare feet are those?
That tickles, stop! Oops, the seat couldn't handle the fun.
I'll help.
Every step a spark in the night. Every word a fire that ignites. Look up, the stars align. With a glow, 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 unstoppable.
Saja Boys are the best. Of course, they're amazing.
There's music and joy on the cardboard plane. What about the girls?
These seats are super comfy.
Yep, where's my spot? Do I seriously have nowhere to sit?
Oh no! Got it, sit on my lap.
No way, that'll be too much for you.
Oh, my apologies. I'll fix this right away. We need a rainbow chair.
Okay. I've got the supplies, but they're locked up. Should I grab the gold key or the pink one? Better break it open with a rainbow hammer. I shape the foam pieces with a file, trace them on colored cardstock and cut them out. I glue the base together and add a rainbow ribbon to the side panel. Make the seat and finish the chair. I'll add rainbow stripes to both sides. What a gorgeous chair!
Wow!
But it'll be even cozier once she sits.
Yeah, okay.
Wow!
It's absolutely stunning! And what about the boys? They must be starving by now. I'll make them a cardboard pizza. Draw a circle with a compass. Remove the excess. With markers, I color a toasted crust and cheese. Divide the slices. I make the pepperoni using red cardstock and a hole punch. Place them on the pizza and add tiny white dots. I grate paper cheese with a mini grater. The pizza is done.
Bellissimo!
The pizza arrived right on time. Ooh, I'm so hungry.
Feels like I haven't eaten in a year.
I haven't in 2.
Enjoy your meal.
Pizza!
Finally.
Yay! Delicious.
Ooh, I'm about to dig in. What? It's cardboard. But we liked it. You guys are something else.
You fell again, bro.
Doesn't matter which plane you're on when you're with friends. Wow, we laughed so much. I'm getting a little tired. Ah, that's better. Zoey and Mira head back to their seats too.
Oh, I'm not comfy.
Something's missing. Can't seem to find the right position. Help us.
Please.
I'll make cute mini pillows for the dolls. Prep light clay in all rainbow shades. I pinch off small pieces. 6 in total. I roll tiny balls and stack them into a little pyramid. Smooth the seams so it becomes a rainbow croissant. The second pillow I curl into a rainbow shape. Coat them with glitter and small sequins. I cut out name logos for the girls. First, we'll place the pillow behind Rumi's neck. Now she can chill and enjoy the music. Are you sure that's a pillow, not a croissant?
Hey, I'm still not comfy.
Because that pillow should be used a different way. You need to put it around your neck. Now the girls are cozy, and they drifted off. And Rumi listens to music even in her sleep.
Do you need any?
Shh! Everyone's asleep already.
Sorry.
The boys are chilling in the cardboard lounge. Oh, our manager's calling. Hello, Bobby?
Where are you? Fans are knocking people over. Right, the show. We're coming. Guys, up you go. We need to get ready for the concert. Oh, what concert? Our show! But we look messy.
No worries. We'll set up a shower for you. A cardboard one, of course.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
I cut an old box with a craft knife. Measure the width of the walls. I trace the numbers onto corrugated cardboard and cut it out. Cover the wall and the floor. On the other side, I draw tiles. Glue the panel with hot glue. I make the shower head from a taped core and a cardboard circle. I wrap it with corrugated strips. I attach it to the wall and add cold and hot buttons. A rod for the curtain. The shower is ready.
I brought you a little table.
What a shower!
Like a fancy hotel.
Let's start with Abby.
I'll be clean and cute. Yay!
Baby's turn. Off goes the beret. We lather the hair with shampoo. Can't go anywhere with messy hair. More bubbles for the guys. And rinse. Now we dry the hair with a dryer. A bit of makeup for a fresh look. And of course, the beret goes back on. We're ready to rock the stage. Maybe I should shower too? The girls need to freshen up too. Press tape to a foil plate and trace it. I cut out a mirror with scissors. Attach it to the poppet. I decorate the sides with colorful tape. Fix tiny rainbows on the edges. I flip the drawer and paint it with acrylic. The rainbow, set out makeup and accessories. The rainbow vanity is ready. My doll Rumi gets a call.
Rumi, you're out of time. You have 5 minutes. Hurry!
Girls, wake up!
Leave me alone.
Mira, up! Rise and shine! What? A fire? Worse, Bobby called. We need to get ready now. The vanity will help. Everything's right here.
Wow.
I'll give the girls rainbow makeup. Lips first. Moving on to eyeshadow.
I did mine myself.
You look so funny. I'm ready too. The Huntrix look so bright and unique. And here come the Saja Boys.
Hi guys, do you like our makeup?
It's just amazing. The Huntrix shine like stars. Ooh. Their fall makes the plane shake.
We hit turbulence!
Are we falling?
Oh boy, hold on! I know what to do. Guys, over here. Whoa! Hold the plane. Push! Tighter, come on!
Okay.
They managed to steady the plane. You're real heroes. Woohoo! Now we just need a quick rehearsal before the concert.
No one can hear us without microphones.
One sec, I'll fix that. I take a straw and decorative tape. Wrap the surface. I cut rainbow foam sheets. Roll them on top. I recolor a plastic circle. Fix the stand and fill the circle with glue. I drop colorful bits inside. Now it's a bright base. I place the mic and add a star. A rainbow one for Huntrix and a cardboard one for Saja. Here they are on stage.
You made it! I'm so happy!
Here are your microphones.
I've been hiding in the silence.
That's my crew! Oh, I'm proud of them!
Yes, a real blast.
Makes me question all. There's a pull I can't deny.
Subscribe to the channel and hit like if you enjoyed the video.
Maybe